Good afternoon. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this Don Redwood. I dug up at Stewart's last year when he was giving away a bunch of the field-grown redwoods. As you can see, we've kind of just let it grow since we dug it out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some branch selection and trim it back for growth in the spring. So we'll start here with this branch. I think we will take some of these large ones off because we got buds here at the base, so we'll take these off that are growing up because that's going to grow straight out. Same thing with this one, and this one's growing straight up. And we got buds all over the place on these branches, so that's very good. All right, and I'll go back to there. Take some of this stuff that's growing straight up. So anything that's growing straight down. All right, I believe we're just going to take this right off. Take this off. That I think I'm going to leave. But we'll cut it. There's a little bud right here, so we'll cut it right there, cut it back. This growing up. That back. All right. Let's see right here. Let's take this one out. And take that out. This one, take off. We'll clean this knob up here. Any other, straighten this up. Well, actually there's a little bud there. I think I want to leave that. All right, let's clean up the back here. Take that one off. And I'm going to shorten this to right here. There we go. This one, there's a bud. There's a bud down all the way back here, so we're gonna go right there. Let's see. What do we want to do with this? Let's go back to the front here. Okay, so that. I don't know how well you can see it, but there is some buds that are going to come out right here. So I'm just going to clean all this up right here. We'll do a selection in the spring as those come out. Let's see. So I'll keep this one. I don't see any buds. We'll go trim some of these back. There. We have a couple buds here and here. And we're going to, let's try to clean up this kind of knotted area where we took out a bunch of branches. So. Do that for now, and each year we'll try to cut it back further and further and let this branch kind of grow out from there. Take some more from the back here. See here, we kind of cleaned this up, took off some of the longer stumps, and we'll slowly start pulling that back. Maybe I'll need to get some recommendations on how to maybe remove this shoulder. At what point do I cut from here, try to come all the way down here, and then allow it to start growing in like this. And this back branch, we'll take it back. Let's see, there's a bud right here. So we're gonna take this all the way back to there. That. This one, get back. I don't have anything over here. Maybe try to get this more flush. We got two branches. Actually, we got two branches coming out right here. Let's remove this crotch branch like that. Same crotch branch here. And let's So let's take this back to there. And we'll take this. There's a tiny bud right there. So we'll go right there. And there's some buds right there. So we'll go right there. This one, I think we will just kind of leave alone. Let's see. This one we'll trim back there. This one back to there. That off. All right, so this bit up here, we're going to take this whole section off right here. Allow this to be the new leader. What I want to do is I'm going to go from right here. I'm going to go down an angle. Come up. There we go. All right, yeah. So there's that cut I made. Being at an angle, let's cut a couple of these. All right, let's see which one of these do we want to keep. That's our front. So let's get rid of that one, that one. And we'll leave the top like it is. All right, there it's trimmed back. Take this one back a little bit. Let's go back to there. There we go. Take these off. Look at that. All right. I think that is looking good. It's looking rather bare right now, but hopefully in the spring all this will start coming back. And that's essentially going to be the front, I believe, of the tree. Like that. Let's see. Yeah. I think that's all the work we need to do on these Dawn Redwoods. I really appreciate you coming and checking out the work and the progress that I've been making on these trees. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.